My name is Peter Saunders. I'm one of the co-directors of Mackinnon Saunders, and we're a company that makes puppets for animation. Well, we've worked on a whole series of projects over the years. Fantastic Mr. Fox was a very popular film. We made the key puppets for that. But also, most recently, we worked on Pinocchio for Guillermo del Toro, and that film went on to win an Oscar and a BAFTA and a Golden Globe. So, you know, we feel very proud by association with that one. So back in 2013, we applied to Made Smarter for a grant. It was really kind of a research and development grant to look into the use of metal 3D printing. And to that end, it was incredibly useful because it was able to take us to the next stage of development with that process, which we've adopted now in virtually everything we do. Okay, so this is one of the puppets that really benefited from the Made Smarter grant. It may look very simple, and in some respects it is very simple. 3D printed metal, it's the type of thing it's a type of process that's being developed for the aerospace industry. We've taken something which is very cutting edge and used it in a different form in order to make this puppet. 3D printing in all of its different guises has changed our company beyond recognition. I think now people were a little bit afraid of it to begin with, but I think now they see the benefits of it. It's kind of used on a daily basis, so it's a great change. We've been in business for 30 years and we've applied for many grants for different purposes, but I would have to say the Made Smarter one was the simplest, the easiest and the most effective one. It had a very light touch on how the money was spent, but we're always there, you know, to be called on should we need their advice. So I can't sing the praises high enough.